Hey people, so this video is a little different in terms of, it's taken me more than 3 decades on the planet to realize that what what actually brings people, what brings one happiness are in fact the little things. Yeah, I mean, uh, a lot of background music, so noise, so you know. No, I mean, yesterday after long, I ate mirchi bhajis. Really, pretty much, and the kind of happiness and joy it brought me. Yeah, I mean, even going to some very star hotel has now not brought me that level of joy. And even with regard to any star hotel, when I go with my little son, who's like, you can see the excitement on his face, then it makes it so beautiful. I mean, when I go by myself, I'm like, oh, okay, nice tall building, nice carpets. But so if only more people realize this, like, I don't know, yeah, in the last 2 3 days I'm feeling very enlightened. And only thing Sadhguru says that the moment of enlightenment and the moment one leaves the body is the same time. The moment you get enlightened, your your soul decides that you've learned how much you could in this lifetime, and then you move on. But I want to stick around for some time. But this is really something, that happiness is actually in these small little sweet little things. So then, in that sense, happiness is accessible to everyone, yeah, regardless of rich, poor, socio-economic strata, whatever. So it's such a happy realization, really. So so really, it's nice. Probably had my life been, had I been based in America, and all of that, like, would I have been happy? I don't know, maybe. But right now I found happiness in the small things, and it is beautiful. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.